2. I'm back. 1 sec. Playing together. Watch this. Watch me cook. Yeah. Yeah. See, I'm cooking. Exotic, or did he changed his name, didn't he? I forgot his name. Bro just walked over. No. Okay. No. I'm gonna. It's fine. It's nothing serious. Okay, jump. Yes, jump. Come on. You got no. What did bro touch? Did his foot just phase through the ground? This shit pisses me off. Okay, jump. Come on. Take your dad. I'm cooking. You're not. That's so good. Come on. What am I doing? Okay, drop down here. Okay, come on, let's go. I promise you, if you do it again, I'm gonna touch you. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. I don't want to play this game. I don't want to play this game no more. I really don't. That just made me mad. Okay, wait. Stop it. Yes, come on. Finally. Okay, come on. Just run. Jump. Go. Okay. It's nothing. Finally. I actually did that. I was yawning. That's why. But we finally did that. Oh no, there's more. I just realized. Okay. What the fuck is this? Bro, what the fuck? Bro, I can't see. Let me in your light. Let me in your light. What the fuck? Bro, let me get the light. I can't see. Is bro just not realizing I can't see without him? I had to take the risk. Kind of regret it. Kinda. Of course. Ooh, I had to take it again. Okay. What incarnation did I just walk into? What the fuck did I just walk into?
Okay, I got the light. Come on. Bro, what the fuck's this nigga doing? Let's go. Come on. Okay. Jump. Okay. Oh, that's what I ran into. Bro, they did that on purpose. Jump. Come on. Jump. Okay, jump. Okay, come on with this. I have to speed it up. Okay, we're good now. Come on, okay. We beat the level. Let's go. Okay, now this one. What's this? Shit, easy as fuck. Bro, nothing's even here. Yeah, we're safe. We're good. We're chill. Yo, I didn't actually think it was gonna be that easy. The fuck? Oh no. Go. Got me on the leash.
You stupid nigga!
Okay, 3, 2, 1, jump. Go. Stop it. Let's go. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, stop, wait. No! Okay, I may have I fell. But it's fine. Wait, it's fine. It doesn't matter. It's okay. Okay, go. Oh my god. That's what he pushed me, I swear, I promise. Okay, stop it. I'm leaving away. Stop it. No. Good. Okay, go. Okay, wait. That's fun. Fuck. I'm gonna crash out. Okay, go. Come on. Come. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, can we go normally? Go. Okay, come on. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Stop. I'm gonna. You're not have brains anymore if you do that. Let's go. Why am I friends with this stupid nigga? He's getting touched tonight. Why am I friends with him? It's a nigga, bro. Making this shit extra long. Cross. What the fuck did we just step on her? I saw nothing. What incarnation did we step on? I don't. It's getting pissed off. Nigga's levitating. He's levitating. Bro's playing on a blender. Oh my god. Alright, we gotta wait for this dude. With this. Well, let's be fine. I guess we need more sexual woman. Oh, never mind, he's back. Let's go. Come on, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop. 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 Go. Stop. It. Don't move it. Move again, we're kissing. Go. Come on. Oh. Stop it. 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 Stop. Why am I friends with him? I want to be friends with him. I want to be friends with him. Cause yo, what the fuck? Oh my god. Once we beat that whole woman in the video, I promise you that. I promise you. Stop it. Okay, wait. Can we wait? Do you know how to wait? Good boy. Come on, let's go. Go. No. Oh my god. Alright. I'm in the video. This nigga's lagging like crazy. Here, just get up. Oh, peace. See you later. Don't forget to game. Bye, piggies.